Have you been wanting to create a YouTube channel but you don't know how to go about it? You know where to start? You don't even know how to even film your first video or even know how to upload your videos on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a lot of things concerning your first YouTube channel, how to open a YouTube, how to upload, how to also set up your custom profile picture and every other stuff that you need to know concerning YouTube as a new YouTuber. So if you're a new YouTuber and you've been among those section of people that has always been asking me, do a video on how you can open your YouTube channel, do a video on how I can open my YouTube channel, I want to open YouTube, this is a great opportunity for you. I have finally come to answer your question. With that being said, let us get right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And with no further ado, let me on my screen record so that we can start our step-by-step tutorial of how you can become a YouTuber and start earning on YouTube. So let us go there, guys. So my screen record is all started, and the first thing you need to do is to create a Google account. Okay, so you are going to click on create a Google account. You can just go to your Google and do this. Okay, and then you're going to be clicking what's for personal use or for business. You're going to click for personal use because you're actually using it for personal. Okay, and then you are going to go ahead to put your first name, of which I am going to use, let me just use Gina. Okay, oh my god, let me use Gina, and then you're going to create a name as well, and this is actually optional, so I'm going to be using John, okay, as well. So after that, you're going to go ahead to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to go ahead to choose your date of birth. So I'm just going to choose any random date of birth here, okay, and then you're going to choose your gender. So which of the gender, then you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to type exactly what you want your email to be. So I can just put like Gina for sure, for example, at gmail.com, and then I click on next. You can see they said this Gmail is used, so they are actually going to suggest another one for you to use. So that this video will not be too long, I'm just going to click on their suggestion, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, once I click on next, you're just going to go ahead to choose your password. So let me just choose any password, for example, and then I'm going to click on next as well. Okay, so once I click on next, it is going to take a little bit of time for it to be all set and done. Okay, so right now you can see save now or not. I'll just go ahead and click on save now, because after now I'm just going to delete this email account. This is just for the purpose of this video. Then I'm just going to go ahead to put in my phone number as well. Once I put in my phone number, because I need to send a verification code, then I'm going to go ahead to click on next. Okay, once I click on next, they will send me a verification code, and I'm actually waiting patiently for the verification code. Automatically it has popped up in, and then this is going to just seal like this, and then I'm going to go ahead to click on next as well, and I'm going to read the YouTube terms and their terms and policy. But trust me, a lot of people don't read this, especially we Nigerians. And then I'm going to click on I agree. Once I click on I agree, it is going to show me the next phase, of which is it automatically loading my Google services. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do now is to go to your YouTube and then make sure you are linking it. Okay, so where is the Gmail that I created? This is the Gmail. I'm just going to go ahead to link it on my YouTube app. Okay, for you as a new person, this is the interface that you are going to see, because you've not watched anybody's video, you've not watched any shorts, you're just new here. This is what they are going to show you. Now the next thing that you're supposed to do as a new YouTuber is to start customizing it. Okay, how do you do that? You click on the profile picture here, and then you click on what the name as well. Then it is going to show you this interface where it is going to say picture, name, and then handle. Okay, so I'm just going to assume to use this particular handle as a normal thing. Then I'm going to go ahead to put a profile picture. Once you click on the camera eyes there, it is going to show you directly. So let's assume I just want to use this picture as well. So I'm just going to fit in this picture to what I want. So anyhow you want it, you can select another picture. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'll just select this and I'll click and use as profile picture, and you're going to wait for it to load. Automatically the profile picture is there. And then the next thing is to put the name. So I'm just going to go with this Ginika John as well. So if it's lifestyle you want or anything, you can just look for a polished name like Vibe with Gina, reality show with Gina, or anything that you want to choose. So it is just your choice. Okay, then your handle, I'm going to just go with this handle as well, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, so I'm going to click on create channel. Once I click on create channel, automatically my channel is created. Then now, as a first new YouTuber, what are you supposed to do? The next thing I'm supposed to do is to film a video. Okay, you need to film your first video, and of which filming your first video is not that difficult. So I need to stop this screen record. Let's talk about filming your first video before we come back for the screen record. Filming your first video is not all that difficult. All you need to do is to tell people what they are going to expect on your channel, what you are going to be doing differently, and what kind of spice are you going to be bringing. So for example, if this is my new channel, I'm just going to say, hello beautiful people, my name is Sonia, and in this channel I'm going to be talking about money, how to make money. We're going to grow together, you're going to learn with me. Anything, it is okay for you to blab anything you want to blab on your first YouTube video. Okay, you can also go ahead and check my first video on this channel. It is so messed up. Okay, so nobody should even go there, but if you go there, don't come back here and tell me you went there. Okay, because it is so messed up. But the good part is that you have started something. Okay, and another thing that you should do is, after creating your first video, it is now the time and opportunity for you to put out more content. So if I create my first video, for example, if I am to be you, I will be creating like more 5-6 videos so that I can start uploading like 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. Now, with all of this being said, let's go back to my phone. Let me show you how to upload after creating your first video. And it is okay for your first video not to have that super audio that you're thinking. It is okay for your first video not to be properly edited. Okay, and if you need all these editing tools that you can actually use and practice, you can check InShot, you can check CapCut, you can check which other this thing that I use. I just use these two basically. Okay, so you can check them out, work your way through. When I was actually doing my own, what I did was I have to create videos that I know that I'm not going to use, just random anyhow videos, and I use them to practice. Okay, this is to tell you that you don't need all of those tutorials that you're saying, oh, I must do this, I must do that. And you can also watch a lot of videos from YouTube that can actually show you how to edit your first video if that is actually what you want. So after getting your first video done, I'm going to go ahead to show you what you are going to do next. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do is to come back to your YouTube interface. Okay, so let me just go back so that you see it very well. Come back to your YouTube interface, and then you're going to click on this plus button where you see the home, the short, plus button, a description, and then you're going to click on the plus button. And once you click on the plus button, it is going to show you what you actually want. So if you want to upload short, you go ahead and upload short, but for your first video, I assume it to be a video, not a short. Okay, so let's take for example that this video I had there is my first video. What am I going to do? I'm just going to go ahead and click on that video. You can scroll any video that you have in your phone that you've already created and you want to use. Just go ahead and use it. Okay, so and you are going to click on this, and once you click on this, I need to mute this right, and then you are going to click on next. Okay, once you click on next, the next thing you're supposed to do is to put in your description. Okay, I mean put in the title of the video. So let me say the title of this video is Poppo Life, for example, Poppo Life. Okay, and then you're just going to go ahead to scroll and check your description. Welcome to my first video. You can just type anything that you know that you are talking about in your first YouTube channel video. Okay, so after that, you just click on this back arrow. It will take you back to the normal interface where you're going to be seeing add to playlist. Since you've not created a playlist yet, it's also showing an opportunity for you to create a playlist, because it's telling you that you don't have any playlist, so you can just create a new playlist. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to do what? Make sure that this video is not meant for kids. It is very, very important. Okay, and then you are going to just go ahead to click on next. Then you are going to select this video is not meant for kids, except if you're doing videos that are meant for kids. videos, kids, videos like cartoons and every other stuff that you know that okay, kids are eligible to watch it, then you can go ahead and do that, and then you click on upload a video. Okay, I don't want to upload this video honestly. Once you click on upload video, your video is going to be uploaded, and then you are going to be, let me discard this, you are going to be seeing your uploaded videos here. If you click on your the U that you're seeing and you click on your video, you are going to be seeing all of that, your video. Okay, because I have not created any video here, that's why I still saying create, but if I would have uploaded that video, it wouldn't have shown me to like create. Okay, so after that, if you want to upload your short, the same process. If you want to go live when you have 50 subscribers, you can see they said try creating more shorts to reach your 50 subscribers and unlock live streaming. And even if you want to create a post, they said to create a post, click a quick time, one verification, unlock, blah blah blah. You can just click on verify for you to be able to like verify. Okay, this verification, use video verification, use ID, use anything you want to click, just follow this procedure and then you are good to go. Okay, this is what you are expected to do as a first person that is just starting up on YouTube or that just opened your YouTube channel. Okay, then the next thing that you are going to do is to click on this three dots eye here. If you click on this video, you're going to see watch on TV and help with feedback. That is not your business. Okay, if you want to share your link directly, your channel link, all you need to do is to click on what, to click on your channel, and once you click on your channel, you go ahead and click on that three dots eyes, and then you're going to be saying share. Okay, if you're saying share, you're going to be clicking what, copy link. Once you copy your link, you can now go to any of your space that you want to post it, either your WhatsApp and every other stuff, and post it and tell your people to like subscribe, that you have opened a YouTube channel successfully, that should help you subscribe. Bear it in mind that a lot of people will subscribe to your channel and then unsubscribe. The fact that they are your family people doesn't mean that they don't have their right to express themselves, but don't give up. And I'll also advise you that as a new YouTuber, it is very good for you to have your first 30 videos uploaded quick. Yes, a lot of people have not been talking about this, but there is this good thing when you upload your first 30 videos. It enables YouTube to know that this person is serious, this person wants to stay on this platform, this person needs YouTube algorithm to push out the video. Okay, and as a new YouTuber as well, I will also advise you to try as much as possible to upload more of shorts so that you can also be able to get like your first 1,000 subscribers. If there's anything that you also want to know, let me know in the comment section. Are you going to be trying this? Are you not going to be trying this? I want to know. If you have been among those people asking me this question and finally I delivered, let me know in the comment section, because I've had a lot of these questions on my live stream or my videos. Teach us how to open a YouTube channel, do a detailed tutorial, and this is the best detailed tutorial that you can actually get from any YouTube tutorial platform at all. I tried my best to make this very detailed, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If you've not subscribed, please do to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.